is the third part of this tutorial, and if you did not watch part 1 and part 2, you must watch it. As you know, the sunflower color is yellow, so I will fill the yellow color to this and center part of this sunflower I will use brown color. Okay, I have already. So using yellow and brown, I'll create the beautiful tone of the sunflower center part. Using two color combination, I'll fill yellow and brown. Okay. So before doing brown color, first I'll fill yellow color to the center part of this flower. So here I'm filling yellow color first. Okay. Now I'll take brown color tube and I'll start filling. When I'm filling, I will just put some dots, okay, in between. See, just I'm putting dots, so it will mix automatically to the yellow. No need to use any brush to mix it. Now I'll start filling petals, okay. So one color yellow and another petals orange colors. So like this way I will repeat, okay. So I will start coloring petals. See, I'm filling the yellow. Now I'm taking the brush to spread the yellow color. Now I'll fill red color. Now I'll use yellow color. I'll mix with yellow and red. It will convert into orange. Like this, you have to spread it. One is yellow petal and another is orange petals. Then red. Then I'll mix yellow color. Very easy to fill the color because already outline we have. Mixing two color. If you take single color, it won't maybe look nice. The outline is there, so with very free hand you can fill the color. Okay. Before doing, you have to remove these bubbles. Now first layer of this sunflower petals I finish. Now second layers of sunflower petal I will fill. It's very easy to fill the color in glass painting. Only you must have little bit color sense to fill the color. And again I'm saying that whenever you are feeling the color, bubbles must be removed. Air bubbles you have to remove whenever you are feeling the color. This is the last layer of petals I'm filling. Okay. Yellow and red I'm taking, and using water I'm mixing. This process you have to repeat till the end of this petal coloring. Okay, now see how it's looking, yellow and reddish color, because I use red color. So you can use also orange color. Okay, so using yellow and red color I created the sunflower petals. So you can also use orange color also. I don't have the orange color. Okay, now I'll start coloring the flower stem. So the flower stem is green color. So for that I'll take yellow first, then I will apply green color. Because I have dark green color, if I mix with yellow it will create light green color. For that I am taking first yellow color. These are the leaves and stems I am filling. I am taking brush to spread out the color, green and yellow. I'll blend it. Here my glass painting. See? Now this is the final output of my glass painting. Okay, so once my coloring finish, I will leave it around 2 to 3 hours to dry off. So keep watching this tutorial. In coming session I'll show you how to fix the background of this painting and how to frame this glass painting. Okay, till then, bye bye.